Good evening to my all friends and teacher. I am going to introduce myself, so please listen to me carefully. My name is Pari Rathore. I am from Indore. I am 13 years old. I study in class 8 in Brilliant Academy School. If I talk about my family background, my father's name is Mr. Vikas Rathore. My mother's name is Mrs. Pinky Rathore. She is an employee. I have one brother. I like red color. My hobby is playing games. In fooding, I like mango. My strength is my confidence. My ideal person is my mom. Now I am going to speak about my birthday celebration. How do I celebrate my birthday every year? Uh, so please listen to me carefully. My birthday comes 4 November 2008. I celebrate my birthday with pomp and show. Uh, on my birthday, I make fun and I purchase new clothes. On my birthday, I get up early in the morning. As soon I wake up, so everyone wish me a happy birthday. So I say thank you. Then I clean my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go for morning walk. So there, everyone wish me a happy birthday. So I say thank you. After some time, I come back to my home and I take bath. Then I wear new clothes and I worship the God. After some time, I go to temple and I worship the God again. After some time, I come back to my home. So my all friends wish me a happy birthday. So I say thank you. After some time, I go to my home and I have breakfast. After some time, I go to play outside. I go to outside for playing. After some time, I come back to my home and I call to my friends for invite my birthday party. After some time, I decorate my whole house and I go to market for purchase a cake and I purchase vegetables and fruits also. Then I come back to my home and I cook food and prepare some dishes and then I go to got ready and I after some time my friends come to my home and we all talk to other and we all dance. After some time I cut the cake, so my all friends sing a song happy birthday, so I say thank you. Then my friends give me gifts. After some time we all have dinner. Then we my friends go to their home. Then I clean utensils and I clean my whole house. After some time I opened gift with my family members, so my gift is very nice and beautiful. After some time we all go to sleep.